Hello guys! Welcome back to our vlog. Say hi! Okay guys, si Michael nagpicture with Santa. Na-busy mi muna wa kayo mi naka-vlog. So I hope you will enjoy our vlog. Right, Michael? Okay guys. Thank you for always watching and supporting our vlog. Hope you enjoy our video. Yay! So hello guys, nanasad mi sa Chuck E. Cheese. Favorite ni Michael ang Chuck E. Cheese. Say hi guys! Yay! Si Daddy kay naningkamot para makakuha siya og more tickets for Michael. Right, Michael? Right, Michael? Yup! What can you say to the guys? Say hello! Michael! Let's see Daddy. Let's go to Daddy. Come on. Let's go. You want more? You want to play more? Nani Daddy ang card. Press. Yay! Daddy, oh. Say hi, guys. You like Chuck E. Cheese? Yes? Where's Spider-Man? Spider? Yay! Okay, let's go. Oh, you wanna play more? Okay. Okay, so si Michael kay ga carousel ride. Say hi, Michael! Hi! Hi! Yay! Finish! Yay! Let's go down! Yay! Okay, so mag-claim na mi sa tickets. How many tickets we have? 417 e-tickets and 8 points. Okay, go Daddy na. Michael, let's go na to Daddy. Go. Hala. Go, Daddy. Oh. Go, Daddy. Come on.
Tomorrow.
Okay, guys. So, bago ra gyud mi nahuman og picture with Santa. Yes! Michael's gonna eat his chocolate. Let's get one more dito. Dali. Ah, so, naa sila palibre na kanang unsa ni bread and Kit Kat. Mommy's gonna get one. Kit Kat and panettone bread. Let's get one. Yay! And then Santa. So, naami diri ron sa Roosevelt Field Mall sa Long Island. Michael is excited to eat the Kit Kat! Lami? Yay! So, ipakita na to sila sa tong mga photo later daddy, no? Nice diri. Kay last time, kinata sa Queen's Mall, dad, no? But parihara ang nagkuan man.
Dinhi na panghatag chocolate.
But parihara ang kuan nila kanang organizer, no? Cherry Hill. Lami! You did good. High five, mommy. Michael was so good. Show the guys your Chuck E. Cheese card.
Show Chuck E. Cheese.
Yay! He loves to go to Chuck E. Cheese.
Samot na ko 3 years old na ni siya. Basta hindi na siya ma-enjoy na siya.
Lagi? Are you having fun?
So yes.
Yes.
Just going to Chuck E. Cheese. Say me.
Okay. So dito naghuwat na lang mi guys. Bawal man mag-take og footage og photos, no? So naghuwat na lang mi ko ano mo among video. Lami?
Lami.
Yay! Finish! Dahil kalingaw sa KitKat kay Santa.
Alright, bye-bye.
Good job, oy. Daghang I really thought nga gamay rag tao, but apparently daghan.
Uy, saan pagkuha daw? Sa kuan.
Yeah, oh, I did one. Oh, he's gonna get his photos. Yup. What did you get, God?
The 49?
49. Okay, na mong pictures. Iba kita, Dad. Iba kita. So, pila ni atong koan? Pila atong 50 kapin? So, mga
plus tax, 80
$80. Nice. Oh, nice.
Waman mo hilak si Michael.
Ipotang niya, Dad. Yay! Oops! Mommy! Okay, rasad ko. Hello, nice. Ato ni ipadala sa Philippines. Yay! Michael! Look at Michael! Yay! Sumuit na ta! Okay, so, maramig eat. Nakalimot mi og vlog sa mong gikaon. Narami sa food court. Nag-eat. Then after that, kay mo eat mi og ice cream. Naka-hear me na lami daw to. Ang unsa to, Dad, ang lami? What's good? Vegan sweet potato marshmallow. You like that?
You wanna try it?
Yeah.
Can we try this vegan sweet potato, please?
Yeah. Thank you. Dad.
Like it or no?
Dili.
You like it? Or you want to get the honeycomb?
Yeah, just the honeycomb na lang.
I'll get the honeycomb.
Michael, are you excited to eat ice cream? Who wants to eat ice cream? Say me. Okay. Thank you. Say hi. Say hi.
Let's go.
Let's go. Lami ang kuhan, cheesecake.
Dami yung cheesecake.
Marian berry cheesecake.
That's good.
Yay!
Mm.
Lami. Yay!
Dance. Dance, dance, dance. Okay, dance.
20 minutes later.
Okay, si Michael kay nagduwa sa slide. Come on. Go, go, go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, slide, go. Go. No, mommy's here. Mommy's here. Whee! Okay, stand up. Again? Okay, go, go, go. Why is it so hard? No? You can do it, Michael. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go! Whee! Go, go, go. Whee! Wait, careful. It's okay. Okay. Go more, more. Want more? Oh my God, it's so hard. Until kabalo na siya. Uy, nanaghilak. Hold ha. Look where you're going. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, go. Whee! Go. Go, go, go. Gusto ba na ni balik magtaas?
One, two, three.
Okay, hold daddy, hold. Whee! Ayo, ayo. So,
Michael, come here.
okay, go daddy. Go there. Go there. Go, go, stand up. Wow, jump, 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 jump. Unsa na, Dad? Wow. Go, 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 go. Wow. Go, go, go. Go, Michael. Go, Michael. Go, 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 Michael. Are you having fun? Si Daddy gikapoy. Ang isa o banahuman. Wow. Wow. Go, Michael. Hey, Michael. Again, again. Go, go, go. Go, go. Go. Go, go. Wow. Galingaw na siya. Hi, Michael. Hi. You can crawl there man inside. Gano'n na siya niya.
Michael, go.
Hi. 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 Si Daddy gikapoy. Michael, what are you doing there? Naungot man ka. Hi.
Galingaw na siya, mami.
Lagilingaw siya. Yay! Hi, Michael. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Yes, more. Wow, 1, 2, 3, go. Yes. 1, 2, 3, go. Yay. Say hi, guys. Yep, say Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Uh-oh. Yes. Slowly. Yes.